You know, sir, we have very low budget. But for you, especially, we increased our budget. Sony Saab, we called our channel and asked them to give us a bicycle, sir.
It's a gift for me.
Yes, sir. No, sir, we are gonna use again.
You're gonna auction?
Yes, I can. कौन है जिनको जैकी सर की ये साइकिल खरीदनी बताओ अभी? मैक्सिमम पैसे बताओ किसके पास है?
और नए नोट चाहिए।
आप भाई साहब का कोट अच्छा, पैसे भी होंगे इनके पास। So he is ready to buy your cycle. Yes.
Yes,
How much?
I'll buy.
10 lakhs minimum.
सर 10 लाख दूंगा सर।
10 लाख के ऊपर कोई?
सर कौन बढ़ाएगा, उससे ज्यादा मैं बढ़ाऊंगा।
पक्का?
पक्का।
हमने सोचा नहीं था वैसे, हम 10-20 हजार तक सोच रहे थे।
ओनली जैकी सर बैठे इसीलिए सर, क्योंकि इंडिया में सब भी उनको पसंद करते हैं।
आप काम क्या करते हैं सर?
मैं बैंगलोर से हूँ सर।
बैंगलोर से? वहाँ पे पैसे पेड़ पे लगते हैं, मतलब काम क्या करते हैं?
काम भी ऐसे करते हैं हम, प्रॉपर्टीज का काम करते हैं।
प्रॉपर्टी का काम करते हैं। ये साइकिल आपकी हुई 10 लाख का चेक?
100% सर आपको दे रहा हूँ
सर। Congratulations.
1 million for this cycle.
100% दे रहा हूँ सर।
So sweet of you. So sweet of you.
बट साइकिल हमको देना।
मैं वैसे ही, अगर आप, बहुत अच्छी बात है, आपका प्यार है जैकी सर के लिए, और हम ये 10 लाख रुपया जो है वो कैंसर पीड़ित बच्चों के लिए अभी से अब डोनेट करते हैं आपकी तरफ से।
Of course,
you are doing, man.
Yes.
You're gonna buy it?
Yeah.
Sir, he is buying that cycle.
I don't know how much, but I'm gonna sign it. The money all go to the charity.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. ऊपर आ।
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Jackie sir, can we have your autograph on this cycle? Okay, this cycle is yours. Check हम आपसे बाद में ले लेंगे।
आ जाओ ऊपर।
भरोसा ना तोड़ना हमारा। So sweet. Thank you, Jackie sir.
Thank you.
क्या नाम बताया सर?
शेख फाजिल।
शेख फाजिल। शेख साहब बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और आपके मेहनत की कमाई हुई जो आपकी दौलत है वो किसी अच्छे काम में लगेगी। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शो में आने के लिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you.
थैंक यू शेख साहब, थैंक यू जैकी सर, थैंक यू सोनू बाजी।
You can have coffee also while talking.
Sir,
want some tea?
Would you like to have some coffee, green tea?
No, I just see. China, Chinese. No, I said, wow, Indian traditional teapot, good, looks nice. China.
We wanted you to feel at home. That's why we kept some Chinese thing. Even he's made in China, couple.
रवीना, मेरे प्यार का ये।
वैसे शायरी मैंने सोनू के लिए लिखी थी, तुमने चांस ही नहीं दिया, मौका नहीं दिया, और ना उसने दिया, उसने जैकेट उतारा ही नहीं।
अरे प्लीज प्लीज।
नहीं, I mean शायरी 6 पैक के ऊपर है।
पर रवीना, आप जानती है मैंने आपसे शेयर भी किया हुआ है, जब मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करता था तो रवीना के पोस्टर्स मेरे रूम के अंदर लगे रहते थे, और मैं पिक्चर इनको भेजी है वो। I had a posters in my room when I was studying in the college.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then इसी बात पे जैकेट उतार दो, पब्लिक को दिखा दो what you're made of. We want to see what you're made of.
अच्छा है।
Sir, have you heard about Baba Ramdev? Sir, we have something for you to show. Come, sir. Sonu bhai,
Wow.
Whoa.
So we called a yoga teacher. Of course, not Baba Ramdev. So where is the yoga teacher? Yes, sir. He's gonna teach you something. आपको आता है ना? जो जैकी चैन है हमारी बेइज्जती ना करवा देना, ठीक है? बाहर जाके चैन में बताएंगे, आप बताओ करके दिखाइए। अच्छा, आप तुम अंडरवेयर छुपा लो, अंडरवेयर ना दिखाओ। हाँ, he don't mix dal in rice. He ate rice, dal, and then mix. And khichdi.
I just want to say that.
शुक्रिया सर, कैसे हैं आप? बढ़िया, काफी दिनों बाद मुलाकात हुई, शुक्रिया जी। प्लीज
I want to ask you some question. I know you produce a movie. You have so many shows, right?
Right.
Did you ever thought you dream about it one day I come to your show?
I never thought, sir. इसका मतलब जैकी चैन भी मेरा शो देखते हैं। Superb, sir. I mean, कितनी हड्डियां? I mean, you must have broken all your bones.
Not all, but mostly.
Almost.
Yeah. From here, nose, cheek, teeth, shoulder, broken, and crack.
Oh my God.
Too many.
ये ही चीजें हैं जो, क्योंकि हम सब इंसान हैं, पर वो इंटरनेशनल स्टार हैं। जैकी चैन क्यों हैं? बिकॉज वो अपने काम को पैशन के साथ करते हैं, डेडिकेशन के साथ करते हैं। और सर, वी रिस्पेक्ट यू, वी लव यू अ लॉट।
I was in Singapore, transit to Australia.
Okay.
Then I got a phone call in America after body check, because every movie after body check.
Right.
So they'll get the blood, everything.
Oh, God.
Then the doctor come, Jackie, what are you eating? I said, what do you mean? Your blood type and your heart, everything perfect. What is your most eat every day? I said, red bean soup. Then he said, oh, no wonder. Continue to eat it. Your body is so good. Even when I was 32 in Yugoslavia, when I get a skull injured, I opened the skull, like a 4 or 5 hour operation. Then the doctor come out to tell my friends, don't worry, your friend's Superman.
Wow.
You are Superman, sir. So that soup is available in India?
Yeah, I think.
Rajma ka soup.
अच्छा, राजमा?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, actually, me and Sonu are from Punjab state. We eat lot of rajma chawal, but you're talking about red beans. But
yes.
rajma makes
Good.
you strong, and हमें तो गैस हो जाती. I mean.
Yes, I know, but it's good. It's good.
Okay, तो अच्छी चीजें हैं, सीख लेनी चाहिए. Sir, as a common man, I just want to, I'm just curious to know that you are Jackie Chan. I mean, you need mixer, grinder, juicer, or you just keep the carrot in your hand and cucumber and juice? I mean, you are so strong.
Yes. That's in the movie.
I know, it was a stupid
just
question.
a normal human, but I just have a gust to do a lot of the things that normal people, they won't do it.
Sir, I mean, I just want to ask, I mean, your fans want to know how many total injuries you have. Do you remember?
I cannot remember. 3 times nose,
Oh my God.
shoulder. Too many. Too many.
And do you remember how many, I mean, good thing you have done on screen? I mean, kisses?
I want to do a kiss scene.
You want to do?
Yeah, more easier. But put in this way, of course, romantic drama is more easy. But action sequence makes me proud. Why? Because all those years when the audience look at the screen like this, go out the theater, wow, look at the Jackie, do the kick, the punch, the stunt, so good. I believe it, right? But if I'm doing a drama, kissing scene, I don't believe the audience come out the theater, look at the kissing, so good.
Yeah.
Right?
Good.
Then I said, okay, as long as I'm still feel I'm young, I will continue to action until I cannot do it. Because you. Like a lot of people ask me, Jackie, why you continue to do this? Because that's my life. I've been doing it 56 years, every day, single day on the set. Every day doing the things. Action sequence. That, for me, it's so easy. For you, probably difficult. But you tell me to sit here to do the show. For me, it's difficult.
So sweet. I mean, I don't have words, but you are genius, sir.
You do the best you can. One day, you will get an Oscar. Yeah. Believe in yourself. Trust me. Believe in yourself. Like me, when I was young, if people say, Jackie, one day you will get an Oscar. You know? But I just concentrate. Even my box office, good. Box office, no good. Somebody go to see my movie. Some people don't like movie. Doesn't matter. Every day, single shot. In the movie, in the stage, on the set, I do my best. I can enrich my life for all those years. One day, I never go to the Oscar. Oscar come to me.
Wow!
Same thing. No matter what kind of job you are, you're the host. You do the best you can. You're not today to the host. Nobody listen to you. Okay, tomorrow you change your cameraman. Okay, you doesn't good. You go to change your soundman. You do nothing. Stay where you are. Like you, like the audience. I think everybody have your own job. Stay your own job. One day, your dream success.
Wow.
यही चीजें होती हैं बड़े लोगों से सीखने वाली. Sir, you will not believe actually. I was talking to my team yesterday. So I told them, what if I will get an Oscar? I mean, I can get. We all are human beings. If we will give our 100%, we will give our best. Yes. So we can get. Sir, you are so inspirational. I mean, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.